Hey dojo friends, I thought you might like to take a look at this really cool samurai weapon. Let's take a peek at what's in this box. Okay, let's take a look at this. I got this in Tokyo. Came in this little box here, as you can see. Inside, can you guess what it is? Probably by the title. Comes in a little bag here, a little purple bag. This is a Tessen. Tessen is a iron war fan. It's really, really cool. This is from Japan, and as you can see, it has this rising sun motif. There were basically three types of fans. You had the Gunsen, which are average folding fans. Then you had what's called Tessen, which is this particular one, which are iron fans. Then you have what's called gunbai. Gunbai are solid iron or wood, and they're open fans, usually held by the high-ranking samurai. And they were used to ward off arrows or to shade the samurai or even to signal the battle troops out on the field. But this is just a standard Tessen iron fan. Let me show you the kanji so we see where it comes from. So here we have the kanji. This one is tetsu. Tetsu means iron. And over here is shan in Mandarin or sen in Japanese. And this means fan or folding fan. Together, tetsu-san or tetsen or tessen. This unassuming tool was carried by the samurai, perhaps in their belt, their obi. If your sword wasn't allowed in the castle, this might be allowed to keep yourself cool during hot days, and it was an unassuming hidden little weapon. This particular one that I have here has iron here. This is iron on both of the spines here. And then when we open this up, this is probably, my guess, a lacquered paper of some sort. Heavily lacquered and little iron fans here. And you can see we have both sides of the fan are hand painted. Nihon or Nippon literally means origin of the sun. So this is a very popular particular symbol that they use in Japan based off of Dainichi Nyorai or the Great Sun. This flag of Japan, you've seen it on flags usually in white with red, was adopted in 1870 and it's called Hinomaru, or the sun disk flag. Now this gold one here might represent a sunrise. So you have the sun rising in the golden morning sun, and perhaps the back, I'm not sure, might mean a sunset with the gold on the black where it's about to be nighttime. In Japan, the sun has a lot of symbolism depending on what belief system you hold. In Shintoism, it symbolizes the figure of Amaterasu, which is the sun deity. In Buddhism, the solar star is attached to Shakyamuni, which is the historical Buddha. As I said before, Dainichi Nyorai, or the Great Sun. And you've heard of the phrase, the land of the rising sun. So it's really a cool weapon here. The use of the iron fan in battle would be called Tessenjitsu. They say that an enemy on a horse went into a camp and into a tent of Sasaki Kojiro and attacked him with a sword, and he feigned him with a tessen in the fourth battle of Kawanakajima. Of course, hidden in the obi this way, it could be drawn very quickly to hit, to block, to feign, perhaps to dodge arrows, I'm not sure, or shuriken, I'm not sure about that. But I can use these in many techniques in our taijutsu, which is the base of our martial arts, so any weapon that you place in the hand of a practitioner like a tessen could be used for self-defense reasons, like a kubotan. These could probably be dual-wielded, one in each hand, and perhaps thrown as well like a shuriken to hit someone in the face. So this beautiful samurai weapon, very unassuming, yet actually functional to keep you cool in the summer heat, and if you needed to act as a shield, to signal troops, or perhaps to defend your life. You can find these on eBay for different prices. These are anywhere from $100 to $1,000 depending on the material that's made and the different motifs of hand painting. And many people choose to display these this way on the wall. Of course, you could display it that way. Rather than keeping it shut, people like to hang these open on their wall as a nice showpiece. So there we have a beautiful specimen of a tessen, beautiful Japanese iron fan. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time. Stay cool.